now have our list of inactive devices from the RMM, those that have been offline for more than 30 days. Here's where we're at in automating the process. The next thing we need to do is map organization IDs to the names of those organizations. Remember, right now our workflow data only gives us the organization ID. It'll be more useful to have the names of the organizations. So we need to create a connection between the ID of the organization and the name of the organization, so that when we reference the ID, what we actually get back is the name. Here's how we do that in Roost. First, we'll search for the action that gets a list of organizations from Jack's RMM. We'll then connect the transition. From there, we'll rename this task to Get RMM Orgs. And we'll store the list in a variable called RMM Orgs. We'll test this, and then we'll take a look at the results. We'll load the context. And from here, let's review the data structure. The organization ID and the organization name attributes are there, but they're not exactly connected. So in this next task, we'll make the connection by creating a table where we reference the ID of the organization and get back the name of the organization. We start with this set variable task to create a variable that contains the organization mapping. We'll name this task set mapping table. We'll name the variable RMM mapping table. Next, let's create the table. Similar to the list comprehension in the previous video, what we'll do here is go through each organization in our list of organizations. For each organization, we create the mapping between the ID and the name here as a key value pair. We first grab the ID for each organization. Using the colon, we're then going to map the ID to the name like this. From here, using the for loop, we iterate through every organization in our list of organizations. By doing this, we create the mapping between the ID and the name for all organizations in the RMM. Now that we can include the organization name in our workflow data, it's time to add the task that creates the ticket. We'll do that in the next video. I'll see you there.